We now have the origami workshop by the Origami Society Madras. It will be conducted by Karthik and Subhash. Can we have all the children? Can you please keep your chappals removed? Sorry, it's just not for children, it's for everyone. No age bar. All are welcome. Please feel free. Please do join. Have fun. Please, we would like more participants coming in for origami. It's open to all, no age bar. Please come in.
Started this online group 2 years back with the intention to spread this art to multiple schools, colleges, and yeah, we do this as a hobby apart from our regular day job. And we have been teaching it in various NGOs. We teach geometry to kids using origami. So this will be a very basic workshop where you can learn few of the models and try to explore more in your home when you have time. If you come with your kids, we request you to kind of help your kids to kind of learn some of the basic models and first model we'll see we'll do camera. Okay, the first model which we are going to do today is camera. How many of you have done a paper camera in your school? Okay, you still remember it? You still remember it? Good. Okay, so you can also help us volunteer to teach the people who are close to you. Give me two more paper. Can you pass it to them? One. Can you all see me? Okay. Color paper on the back side, so the plain color has to face you, or the white paper, white side has to face you. Fold the paper half. Fold the paper into half. Yeah. Then fold the paper again into half on the other side. So basically dividing, making into 4 squares. You're using this paper. You're not using this. Can I have it, please? You got this? Sit down, sit down. Fold the paper like this into half in both directions.
Fold it like this. Fold it half like this first, yeah.
Have you all completed till this step? Done? Done? Now bring this corner to the center. Bring this corner to the center. Yeah. Maybe you can help. Similarly, bring all these 3 corners to the center so to get a diamond in the center. If you need any help, please reach out to Karthik. He will come close to you to help you. If you need any help, let's all wait for everyone to finish the step. Don't see what I am doing. So Have you all finished till this? Right? Now turn the paper inside out, turn the paper around, place it on the floor and do the same folding on the other side. What you did was you brought all these corners, all these edges to the center, right? Now you have four different set of smaller edges, right? Bring it again to the center. Yeah. Bring these four corners again to the center. You can help your do. You can help பண்ணுங்க. So, have you all done this till the stage? Have you all, in your school you used to do 4 cups. Have you all done the 4 cups? It's just similar to 4 cups. So the first 2 steps of 4 cups are done. Right? Completed? Turn the paper again on the other side. Like this. Turn the paper again on this side. Ulta. Yes. Place it on the floor. No, not the other side, other side. Other side. This side. No, not where the fold. This side. Correct. Next sharp crease. Nalla. Ayutti pannu. So what did we do? First step, we folded the paper into 2 halves so that there are 4 smaller squares. Then we brought the corners to the center. Then we ultaed the paper. We inverted the paper and again did that. So that's where we are. Right? Now we again inverted the paper and we are going to do the same thing again for the 3rd time. 3rd and the last time we are doing the same step. Again fold the paper back to the center. So you should have basically done this 3 times on alternate sides. Do you get me? Side 1, invert the paper, side 2, again invert the paper, side 3, fold 3. No.
Turn your paper around.
No.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Right.
Yes. Have you all completed till the stage? What are we doing now?
Camera.
What will the camera do? So after this, what will we be able to do? Take pictures, right? So we don't need that camera. We'll all take pictures of that uncle. He's been taking pictures all over the day. We'll all take our camera and... Have you all completed the stage? So what did we do? 3 stages, right? Side 1, turn over, side 2, turn over and again do the same repetitive folds. Now, you see a small pocket here, right? 4 pockets. There are 4 pockets here. These are 4 pockets, right? And you see a diamond, small diamonds on all 4 sides, right? I'll help you. Now what I am doing is, I am just, look at me. If you want you can come closer. I am just selecting 2 opposite ends. Come closer. I am just selecting 2 opposite ends, 1 and 2. And I am just opening this here. Did you all get it? I am just selecting 2 opposite ends and I am just inserting my finger and doing this.
How do you make the triangle?
I just take this out and then press it. Done on opposite sides? Great. இதை உள்ளுக்குள்ள அப்படி ஃபிங்கரை விட்டுட்டு லைட்டா அப்படியே அழுத்தினா இது வந்துடும். ஆப்போசிட் சைட்ல நீ பண்ணு. ஸ்டெப் 1 பண்ண பாத்தியா? இந்த பக்கம் திருப்ப சொன்னேன் நான். இந்த பக்கம் திருப்பிட்டு ஸ்டெப் 2 பண்ணியா? The finger here and then make it do that on the opposite side. They can do the next model, right? Just finger it and do it on the opposite side. Have you all completed till this stage? Now insert your thumb on the other sides. Insert your thumb or any finger on these two sides and you're going to open this. You're going to slowly open this, open this, open this, open this, slowly open this and do this. You're going to insert your finger. You're going to insert your finger here and then slowly push this. You're just opening it, opening it, opening it, opening it. Yours is already open, so. இது உள்ளுக்குள்ள ஃபிங்கர் விட்டு அப்படி திருப்பு. ஆப்போசிட் சைடுல இது உள்ளுக்குள்ள ஃபிங்கரை விட்டு ஸ்லோவா அப்படி புஷ் பண்ணு. ட்ரை. இப்போ ரெண்டு பக்கம் அப்படி புஷ் பண்ணு ஸ்லோவா. Just insert your finger and slowly push it down. No, push it down here in these two. You're just slowly pushing it. Wait, let everyone finish. You're just pushing it like this. Who all have yet to open it? We'll teach once again. Come closer. Yeah, yours is completed. Can you all see this? Can you all see this? Yours is done. Can you all see this? I'm just inserting my finger and using my thumb, I'm just pushing on the other side. Slowly pushing it, 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 slowly pushing it so that I get two hand-like structures here. You are able to get my point? That's it. You're right. Still push it, still push it. In the center, in the center. That's over. I'm just saying, you're just slowly pushing it and then bring it to the center. I'm like this, you're slowly pushing it and then try பண்ணுங்க. நீங்க வரலன்னா பார்க்கலாம். இவ்வளவு பண்ணிட்டீங்க இல்லையா? இந்த சைடுல இருந்து ஃபிங்கர் உள்ளுக்குள்ள விடுங்க. Slow. I thought you have to teach your mother or auntie or whoever it is. Have you all done till this? You completed till this? You just keep pushing it again. Push, 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 push. Like this. Keep your cameras like this. Show him, all of you show him the camera. Show your camera to him. And then press your camera here when I say press in this center. Press in this center. Ready? 1, 2. Show him the camera. 1, 2, 3. See? It opens. It makes a click sound too. Want to try it once again? Again fold this. And again. Thank you. Thank you.
Did you enjoy the orientation?
All of you should fill the feedback form.
Feedback form.
Parents can fill the feedback form. Thank you.
Very pretty, thanks.
Welcome. You can join us on Origami Society of Madras on Facebook.
On Facebook?
Yes. Madras.
Madras.
Welcome.
Thank you.
So you will go home and practice this? Do you remember the steps? You can help her out.
Do you have this project on the website, sir?
We don't have projects, but there are a lot of content available. How did I love that? Nothing on.
And I exchange, huh?
No exchange. Very good. Real work. Yes, thank you.
Hey, let's give a free taste to Karthik and Subhash.
Now, okay, this will qualify for the competition. This will qualify for the competition.
No, this.
No. Ha! This is also good. Wait. Will I add there? That Anna has done it very well. But we will give that Anna a little. This is also very nice. So I have competition between 1, 2 and 3. It's for people who are younger than you. Okay, we'll give him the prize.
What is that price?
I'm giving him another paper bird. And take your leaf cover if you want.